Ground crew only. The exit? Like it rides over, bro. Nah. That's what it looks like. There it is. I guess.
Carefully. The colors I just assigned you will be the same ones you are standing on yourself. Memorize them. The bags you are wearing, take them off now and hold them in your hands. This includes any bags on your shoulders or around your waist. Take them off and hold them in your hands. Once the silver opens, I'll tell you when to enter by your colors so you understand. Read instructions. Good. Comments, questions, or concerns? No, good. I wasn't going to answer them.
That's up, guys. On their own, bro. I'm blue, bro.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
On your left, blue, red on your left, silver and orange on your right,
blue.
silver and orange on your right. All bags between your legs, seatbelts left to right.
Then we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force.
Mine.
Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos bajo sus pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Right-hand side. Pull your yellow straps. Yep. Everyone's yellow straps. There we go. Cool. And Facebook drops.
I'll go get my hat on.
Perfect. I would take it off if I were you. Right and down my front row when you can. Put your hands up for me. Hands up. Yep. Perfect. Watch your side. The doors are closing. Make sure all cargo is stored held tightly in your hands. This is my friend, R5. I reprogrammed them myself.
Program to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Hey, this is your hat.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work?
What's up, guys?
Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Sorry, y'all, Star Troopers, bro.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh, it's not.
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lifts down. We'll cover you. Hurry!
Nah, yo, I got covered.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
Bruh.
Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Nah, yo. They're malfunctioning, bro.
Personnel, abandoned ship. I repeat.
Abandoned ship, it's not talking about.
Cannot escape.
This is how it ends, guys.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that a thought.
I think they're holding out for some kind of compensation.
Are you kidding? Look, you'll be treated well. Could you at least drop off the recruits first?
This guy. Bro forgot to drop us off. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Come on, what do you say, guys? Can we go?
No.
Yeah, bro, like.
I didn't get that. Sure, we could probably get you some backup batteries. You're still not moving.
Yeah, guys, we need to get together, bro.
Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He takes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind. Sir, this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors. Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
We got first order patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see them. We're keeping to the tree line.
All teams, be advised. Lieutenant Beck is still unaccounted for. Is it? Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Left-hand side.
You ain't got my hat.